Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to clear your browsing history on Safari on your MacBook. This is super quick and it only takes a few clicks. Right now, I'm clearing my Safari history, and as you can see, everything gets removed instantly. If you want more privacy or just want to clean things up, this is the fastest way to do it. So first, open Safari on your MacBook. At the top menu, click on History, then scroll down and click Clear History. Now this tab will show up, and you have to pick how much history you want to delete. You can delete the history from the last hour, today, today and yesterday, or all of your history. Now once you've decided, click on Clear History, and this will remove your browsing history, cookies, and other browsing data. And that's it! Your Safari history is now cleared. And that's how to clear your Safari history on your MacBook. A quick and easy way to keep things private. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.